Let's hear something, Paige. What do you got for me? Let's hear some classic Chrondukes, brand new material that's classic. It'll be an instant classic.
Like everything else we've ever done, which has just turned out to be a piece of shit. 5
Front teeth. Start to build it up a little bit, and then we'll start to make it a little better, make it a little bit dirty and raunchy and rockin' and loud for people to say, hey, you know what, this tune is pretty catchy and it's also kind of rockin' because it's so noisy. It started off really quiet, then it went loud, now it's rockin'. It's going a little louder now. This morning, I went downstairs to take a shower. Wanna know about how that went, BJ? I got out of bed, naked as the day I was born. Walked downstairs, and I hurt my feet because my feet haven't walked in 8 hours, and they hurt it going downstairs. But that's irrelevant. But I'm just telling you about my morning. Anyway, let's get quiet again. I'll tell you when to build it up. So my naked person opened up that extra little door in the hallway and let the cats out because they were in there all night. So they ran around and did their little kitty thing. They ran around and did their little kitty. But again, that's irrelevant to my story. I'm just telling you about my morning. Anyway, about my shower. I went in to take a shower. I turned on the water. I let it run for a little while, soaked up my little sponge thing and sponged this side of the shower so the shower curtain would stick and not flap around when I'm trying to take a shower. Same with the other end, I wet it so it wouldn't flap around. But that's irrelevant to my story. I lathered up my hair and I lathered up my naked goody bits, and I scrubbed and I lathered and I rinsed and I repeated with the conjure currency and wash. Then I opened my mouth, put some water in my mouth, gargled and then spit, because that's what I do in the shower. done, so I pressed down on the little handle thing to stop the water, but you know what? It kept flowing. The goddamn water kept flowing. It would not stop. There was a problem. And then it was like a bunch of furry hairs clogging up the thing, and so the bathtub filled up, and then the whole bathroom filled up. It felt, you know, it was like a flood in there. It felt like I had to start grabbing two of every goddamn animal and fucking start anew. But yeah, I took care of that problem. I happened to be very thirsty, so I just drank it all. And then I just like smacked the shower with a plunger and it was fine and stopped. Problem with my plumbing. There was a plumbing with my problem, or the problem with my plumbing. There was a problem with my plumbing this morning. Don't you even care? You don't care about the problem with my plumbing this morning. Why are you so dying down a little bit. Now this is a different part. We haven't heard this part before, but here it is, a whole new part. Now it starts to build up, I wanna hear it orgasm. I wanna hear a goddamn crescendo. Never mind if it's in a different part of the song. No.